Launch sequence initiated. Confirm targets immediately.
Targets confirmed. Trajectory stable. All systems report green.
Sequence initiated. All systems go. Calibration complete on Unit 7. Ready for launch.
Final checks are complete on the Hwasong 15. With the launch imminent, the world watches North Korea's latest display of military force.
Guidance checks complete. Copy that. Internal power engaged. Status green.
The guidance system alignment is fluctuating here.
Recalibrating the inertial platforms now. Check the telemetry stabilization.
Check the thrust vectoring on stage 2.
Readings are nominal. Guidance systems locked.
Ready for launch sequence authorization. Propulsion systems check nominal. We are ready to proceed with the launch sequence.
Confirmed. Initiating final countdown.
This Hwasong 15 guidance schematic requires adjustment to the antenna housing.
Agreed. The simulation data confirms signal instability at this junction.
Flow rate here is unstable. We must reinforce the injector sequence. But the guidance telemetry is fluctuating. Stabilize the propulsion immediately. Connections. Engineers focus heavily on the propulsion system.
Ensure all systems are nominal for deployment readiness.
We are running the final diagnostic now.
Mounted drones. Our engineers are meticulously inspecting the Hwasong 15 guidance system, focusing on the sophisticated electrical
This section appears clear, but let's double-check the insulation resistance here.
Good call. The schematics show this area is vulnerable to vibration fatigue.
Diagnostics are reading nominal parameters across the board.
Cross-reference that with the telemetry data from the last launch.
Propulsion system diagnostics are green across the board.
Pressure regulators are holding steady. We are ready for the next phase of testing.
Emerging from the mobile erector platform, the Hwasong 15 roared to life, showcasing significant advances in their long-range capabilities amid rising tensions.
Guidance systems aligned. Stage 2 stabilization confirmed. Quality control complete. Ready for final approval.
Verify the integrity of connection points 7 through 12. Readings are stable. Proceeding to nozzle inspection. Secure that connection in the propulsion unit. Data stream confirms optimal parameters.
Guidance conduits connected.
Initiating final telemetry sequence. Systems check complete.
Launch sequence initiated. Tracking data coming in now.
Trajectory looks good. It's holding course.
Confirming impact zone coordinates.
Check the telemetry on trajectory stabilization.
Recalculating impact coordinates now, sir. Drift seems acceptable.
Control surfaces check complete. Propulsion system verified. Status green across the board. Telemetry stable. Fuel systems engaged.
Guidance confirms target lock.
Stand by for launch command.
Guidance system checks complete. Telemetry stable.
Authorization confirmed. Proceed with ignition sequence protocols.
Guidance system calibrated.
Readings confirmed and logged.
Preparing for final systems check.
동지장교, 추진 시스템 점검이 완료되었습니다. 모든 시스템이 정상입니다. 좋습니다. 최종 시퀀스 테스트를 준비하십시오.
Every connection on the Hwasong 15's propulsion system is critical, ensuring the missile remains primed for deployment as tensions mount.
Final connection secured. Engaging primary power.
Power engaged. Missile systems active. All conduits are secured.
Guidance system shows full integrity. Missile is ready for the drill.
Line the guidance fins. Bring her down slowly.
Confirmed. Contact imminent.
Locking clamps engaged.
Verify alignment on section 3.
Confirmed. Engage stabilization clamps now.
Clamps engaged. Missile secure.
Hold steady. Lowering now. Secured on this side. Engage locks. Confirmed.
Control, guidance system reports green. Proceed with securement. Acknowledged. Engaging forward locks now. Rear clamps secured.
Tighten connection 7.
Confirmed. Connection 7 secure.
Hydraulics stable. Ready for deployment protocols.
Section 3, secure the clamps. Clamps secured, sir. Final alignment check complete. Ready for transport.
Commander, the Hwasong 15 is deployed. Route is clear.
Confirmed. Proceed to launch coordinates immediately.
All stations, confirm readiness for launch sequence.
Guidance and control are green.
T-minus 45 seconds and counting.
Launch sequence initiated. Stand by for ignition.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. T-minus 10 seconds.
Systems check complete. Guidance is internal.
Ignition sequence start. Liftoff confirmed.
Launch sequence initiated.
Missile 1 through 5. Guidance systems active.
All missiles away.
All missiles airborne. Trajectory holding steady.
Initiating guidance correction sequence. Confirmation signal sent.
Uploading guidance software patch. Monitor trajectory parameters closely.
Parameters holding steady. System stabilization complete.
Final alignment sequence initiated. Hwasong 15 guidance system. Finalized software synchronization. Synchronization complete. Targeting parameters uploaded.
Missile status training.
Targeting system secure. We must complete the fuel injection alignment before the launch window closes.
Almost there. Running final checks now.
This missile, the Hwasong 15, dramatically shifted the geopolitical balance during the 2017 crisis. This diagram illustrates the propulsion system. The Hwasong series marked a significant leap in ballistic capabilities, shifting the global strategic balance.
The propulsion advancements shown here allowed for the extended range they demonstrated in 2017.
These diagrams.
It's remarkable how quickly they advanced their ICBM program.
And the implications for global stability are still being felt.
Its deployment fundamentally altered the geopolitical landscape in the region.
And the implications for global stability.
The telemetry data confirms the improved guidance systems, which significantly impacts.
Trajectory path is stable. We are green across all systems.
Copy that. Inputting revised coordinates now.
Trajectory data confirms successful staging separation. Monitoring propulsion stability.
Fuel pump inspection complete. Ready for final integration checks.
Hwasong 17 launchers mobilize, preparing to fire. North Korea states these launches are a response to the ongoing U.S. military drills in the region.
While the world watches the drills, Pyongyang showcases its newest arsenal.
All primary systems reading green.
Guidance telemetry locked. We are ready for launch authorization.
Guidance system synchronized. Proceed to engine checks. Confirming propulsion readiness. Pressure holding steady. Connect the main power conduit. Conduit secured. Calibration sequence initiated. Readings stable. System is green.
Check the connection on Terminal 3.
Secure. Pressure stable.
Ready for alignment.
Tighten that coupling. We need full continuity. It is done, Sergeant. All systems aligned.
Check the alignment on port hydraulics.
Alignment confirmed. Proceeding with electrical coupling sequence B.
Guidance systems green, ready for final lock.
Electrical conduit secured. System stabilizing.
Acknowledged. Proceeding with pre-launch sequence. Stand by for ignition command. We have launch authorization. Check flight path coordinates.
Coordinates verified. Standing by for final release.
T-minus 10 seconds. All systems nominal.
Launch sequence initiated. Confirm guidance internal. Status report, now.
Guidance systems are nominal.
Engine ignition sequence stabilizing. Launch sequence initiated. Stabilization check complete.
Acknowledged. Stand by for final authorization.
Secure the guidance system immediately. We launch at 03. Yes, Commander. All teams, prove the components. Secure that panel, quickly.
Move the guidance system to Station 2.
Confirmed. Standing by for integration.
Conduits green. Locking sequence engaged.
Confirmed locked. Section ready.
Systems check complete. We are a go.
Torque setting confirmed.
Proceed with Sequence B.
Sequence B initiated.
Ensure the torque is precisely calibrated for the guidance system conduit.
It is secured. We are within specifications.
Ensure the conduits are aligned correctly.
Confirmed. Applying final torque sequence.
Torque specifications met on all primary conduits.
Switching to fine tools. Check the guidance mechanism connection.
Connection secured. System check complete.
The Hwasong-17, North Korea's largest intercontinental ballistic missile, undergoing final preparations.
This new intercontinental ballistic missile, the Hwasong-17, changes the strategic balance in the region.
지시를 기다리고 있습니다.
시스템이 안정적입니다.
Primary conduits connected. System integrity check initiated.
Guidance telemetry locked. We are green for launch protocol.
Stand by for activation.
Confirmation received. All systems green.